Now before we conclude this topic, I would like to add few points here. Now at the top I showed you we cannot create any object of the class of animal, which is our abstract class, right? So we cannot create the object. So what is actually the advantage of making a class as abstract? So for that we need to understand again few things. Now whenever you declare a class as abstract, you can create its reference. So animal space animal is actually allowed in Java. So here is the commit line. It is allowed, that is, you can create the reference variable of the abstract class. Now since we can create the reference variable of animal, then again you must be thinking it is actually useless because you cannot use animal space animal equal to new animal class like this, just because creating the object of animal is not allowed, as we have mentioned it here. But now, remember the class of dog that extends from the abstract class of animal. And from the previous topic, we all know that we can actually create the child class object, which is dog in our case, and assign it to the parent class of reference variable. So right now what do we have here is animal space animal reference variable equal to the new dog object. So on the left hand side we have the parent class, and on the right hand side we have the child class object, right? So using the animal one, you can simply control the object of the dog. So animal1 dot run and then animal1 dot eat. So like this you can call the multiple methods. So here is the comment line for that. The parent class reference variable is pointing to the child class object, and we also saw this concept in our previous topic as well. So let us now summarize our topic. So what is an abstract class? A class is known as abstract when it is declared abstract, and it needs to follow some of the rules, such as you cannot create the object of the abstract class. And then the abstract class may or may not contain the abstract methods. And proceeding forward, we saw what is an abstract method in Java. And of course, when a method is declared abstract, it is known as the abstract method. And again it follows some rules, such as the abstract method does not contain any method body. That is, you cannot write code within the method. But how can we use the abstract method? So for that we have this rule. It is mandatory to override the abstract method within the child class. So whenever you think that a method will be of the primary use for the child class, then declare the method as abstract. Now this was a very short topic on the abstract keyword. In order to understand the primary importance of abstract keyword, let us check out our next topic of interface. So coming up next, we will check out what is interface in Java. And in that topic itself, we will explore more on the abstract keyword.